Hello Philippines, hello world. My name is Michelle Queen Para and this is your Lifesaver. Guys, may tanong ako sa inyo. Have you ever been in love with someone or nagka-crush man lang? Then, how do you make actions with your feelings? First, tutunganga ka na lang ba? Dead makels, ganun. O kaya, yung sinasabi nila na just sit back and relax. Second, tititigan mo na lang si crush. Baka kasi matunaw. Tapos, kusa na lang siyang lalapit sa'yo. Third, you will think about her a lot and make a plan to get her. Fourth, mag-a-apply ka bilang manliligaw niya. Tapos, bahala na kung ma-reject, at least, you tried. Fifth, pero dahil torpe tayo, ipinagpaliban mo na lang yung panliligaw mo sa kanya. Tapos, ipinagpabukas mo pa. Hanggang sa nawala na siya at hindi mo na siya pwedeng makuha pa. Dahil ayaw niya na sa iyo. Alin ka kaya dito sa lima? Alam niyo ba guys, that getting a life insurance is like being in love with someone. Or having a crush in your school. We, di nga. Totoo ba? Yes, it is. Because getting a life insurance is like taking actions with your future. It's like having your future girlfriend or future wife through application. Let me tell you why. At first, like your crush, a client will not think about you and believe you that you are important like your life insurance. Dead makals ba? Ganun. Hindi naman kasi priority. Second, minsan, kahit alam naman natin na kailangan natin ng life insurance, no pakals pa rin tayo. Dahil, feeling natin malakas tayo all the time. Third, syempre, kapag nalaman naman natin na hindi lang natin kailangan ng life insurance, kundi gusto talaga natin ito, we make plans to get it. And not just one, but more insurances. Fourth, in reality, life insurance is for application. At hindi lahat ng nag-a-apply dito ay na-approve. Parang panliligaw mo lang sa crush mo or sa future wife mo. It's for approval. Fifth, you're supposed to be life insurance will never wait for you. Kapag torpe tayo at ipinagpabukas mo pa ang pagkuha nito o ang pag-a-apply nito, baka hindi mo na makuha ito. Worst is, ma-reject ka pa dahil hindi ka na qualified. With that said, what are you waiting for? How do you make plans for your future? When do you think is the best time to get your life insurance? Is it now or never? Tara, let's go. Grab it now and apply na. Meron ka bang tanong about life insurance, insurance with investment, and unit investment trust fund na gusto mong masagot? Feel free to send me a message or draft your questions here.